installing frame sliders on my Ducati Streetfighter 848. The bike is currently supported on a jack stand from just my car. There's really no flat spot for it, so it's just resting on the bottom of the filter, or not filter, the of the oil pan cover, and it's fine. It's just slightly supported. The full weight of the bike is on the kickstand, obviously. You can see down there. The tools you'll need are a 15mm socket and an 8mm Allen. The socket goes on this side here, and the Allen goes over here, right there. Basically, frame slider is just this long thing that goes through the motor. I think these are 18mm nuts on either end. Basically, put it right through here into the bike and just hammer out the existing engine mount with this engine mount, with this new spindle thing here. And yeah, it's the first step. Actually, the first step is to take out the existing engine mount, which I'm going to do with these two tools here. So you basically take out this nut that's holding it on this end to unscrew it, while you have something stopping it from this side. Others, it just keeps spinning, and as you can see, the bolt easily slides out, probably because the engine is supported. So but I'm gonna leave it in there just in case it drops, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push it out with the new bolt that comes from the T-Rex frame sliders. So let's do that now. So I've got the T-Rex frame slider bolt. I'm not sure which side is left or right. If you can tell, one side has a shorter thread, the other side has a longer thread. But let's put it in this hole. I'll push out the other bolt. Mine's really loose, so I don't really need to do anything to hammer it in or anything like I thought I would. So let's see what happens when I just put it in and push it out. So you just heard the original bolt fall out. Let's go see what it looks like. So this is the original bolt. As you can tell, there's a little bit of this rust or something. Focuses. Yeah. And that's the other end of it, where the nut was holding on to. So here's the T-Rex bolt coming out. What I'm going to do is probably add some grease to the bolt, because it's grease, and always helps. Alright, I've greased up the bolt a little bit on the inside, and all I'm going to do now is put the bobbin, I think that's what this is called, or the protection thing. All it does is it slides right in, and it goes right into that spot there. And I guess I'll just align the bolt and stuff once I'm screwing it down. Okay, to bolt it in, all it is washer and a nut with the, I think this is a nylon, kind of like a maybe anti-vibration or something, but maybe it locks it in properly. Technically, I would want to put some Loctite on the threads, but I don't have any with me right now, so if you're doing this, use Loctite. But yeah, so now you can see the bolt come through the bobbin there. I'm just going to put the nut on it. So in order to tighten the bolts that come with the T-Rex frame slider, you're going to need 2 of the 19mm sockets. Unfortunately, you have to go hunting for an extra one if you don't have one. Just borrow one from a neighbor or something. But yeah, you're gonna need two, one to hold it down so it doesn't spin inside, and the other one to tighten down. And after it's tightened down and torqued down, that's about it. You've got your frame sliders installed now. Here's a close-up look of what they look like. So they mount flush to the frame there pretty well. The bolt kind of sticks out, but I think that's fine because this is the side that has more thread on it. And the other side, basically the same thing. Less thread on this side because this one didn't have as much thread on it, but the nut has gone in all the way, and the washer is inside as well. So, but yeah, that's what this one looks like. You can see it sticks out just enough to clear, I think the pipe here, or the hose here, and it seems to clear the top of the frame, the side of the frame pretty well. Then this side seems to clear the clutch cover pretty well, and it is pretty flush to the frame. That's what that looks like from here, from the front. Yeah, looking pretty good. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you.